Yeah, in the showroom, sobrang rare na nang magkaroon itong Veloz G. Alright? Sobrang hot cake kasi nito. Kaya, i-vlog natin siya today. Of course. Yeah. So, ang difference nila between G and V is the Toyota Safety Sense. So, actually, yun lang talaga at how much? 40,000 price difference between the G and the V. Pero most of the time, mas malaki yung discount ng V. Pero depende pa rin sa promo, Okay? So, before we begin, of course, opera ko kayo ng trade-in. Alright? Meron kami trade-in dito. Most brands sinatanggap namin for trade-in. Alright? And in case meron kang approval sa other brands, pwede nyo i-transfer yan dito. Alright? Tara, simulan natin Veloz G. So yun, we're gonna start here at the side mirror. So, dito sa Veloz G, yan kita nyo, integrated yung signal light niya. Okay? Wala tong 360 camera. And yung 360 camera is available only for the top of the line. Alright? So, body color yung door handle natin. Kita nyo. Okay, at least meron pa rin yung smart entry, even though mid variant. Okay, body color. Let's go inside. Alright. So, of course, ito yung window controls niya. Central lock ng window, 4 na windows. Meron siyang auto fold. So, it means the auto fold, kapag pinindot mo yung lock, magpo-fold na rin yung side mirrors. Okay? Magandang indication yan just to let you know na nakalock na yung unit mo. Okay? Ito yung design ng adjust ng side mirror niya. Cursor siya, hindi siya joystick. Alright? Okay. Then, cup holder, extended. Dalawang cup holder yan, Alright? Ito yung design na handle niya. Lock mechanism. Right? And ito is leather. Leather to, Then, plastic. Plastic. Alright? Yan. Then, meron yung speaker. Okay? May speaker siya. So, dito sa upuan, meron tong seat height adjuster. Alright? Kita nyo? Yan ang seat height adjuster niya. Ito naman yung sa sandalan. Okay. Then, ito yung pang-open ng gas niya. Okay. Then, sa hood naman, ito. Right? Kita nyo. Then, meron tayong small pocket dito. Lagayan ng anything. Card. Of course, yan. Kunyari, RFID. Then, traction. Traction button. And meron tayong cup holder. Right? Ganda ng cup holder niya. Okay. So, let's go inside, guys. Alright. So, ito ang cursor niya. Itong cursor na to, pang-adjust mo yan dito sa multi-information display. Okay. So, ayan, meron siyang enter button. Then, trip meter, back button, cursor, enter, voice command, volume control. Okay. Moving on. Dito naman sa kabila is ito yung pang-skip ng radio station or pang-skip ng song, answer call. Okay. Then yung mode. Okay, yung mode na to, ito yung shortcut mo Example, while driving para mapalitan AM, FM, Bluetooth connection, or Apple Android. Then dito sa ilalim, may kita mo yung drive. Ayan So the drive mode, pwede ka mamili dyan between eco, then power. So sa power mode, mas magiging aggressive yung engine. Okay? Ayan. Then, dito tayo sa stereo. So, ito yung fan blower, thermostat, air circulation, rear defogger, meron tayong rear defogger, thermostat, off ng aircon, auto. Alright? So, being the Veloz G, push start to. Okay? Meron naman dito indicator just to remind you kung sino hindi naka-seatbelt. Okay? So, yung design ng aircon vent niya, hazard. Then, ang infotainment natin. Dito naman is, yan, sa front passenger is meron tayong retractable cup holder. Okay. Patingin nga ng glove compartment. Alright. Nice. Ganda. Okay. By the way, itong white na to is leather, ha. Leather to. Okay. This one is plastic. Yan. Then, ito tayo sa shift knob. Yan. So, ito, line type siya, yung cambio. So, park, reverse, neutral, drive mode. Then, meron tong plus minus. Alright. So, wala tong paddle shift. Okay. And, meron siyang plus minus. Then, meron tayong brake hold assist. Also, ito na po yung electronic na brake. Ito na po yung handbrake natin. Okay, meron tong wireless charger. Okay, center pocket, patingin nga. Yun, maganda siya. Okay, meron tong power source dito sa loob, yung classic na bilog, yung pang lighter. Alright. Ayan. And patingin nga ng seat design. Okay, meron siyang small holes, yan, fabric combined with leather. Okay. Nice, ganda. This one, itong headrest is full leather. Okay. So wala tong seat ventilation, Yan design niya. Then merong gray accent diyan. Alright. So headliner naman, patingin nga kung merong mirror. Ayan. May salamin ang mga magbe-makeup dito. Okay. Cabin light, door function, off. Okay, push siya. Alright. So, yan. Then, patingin nga sa driver. Alright. Wala tayong mirror dito sa driver side. Okay. So, ayan ang ating first row driver side. So, punta naman tayo sa second row. Yan, ang second row. Patingin ng door panel. Ayan. Alright. Hawakan. Cup holder. Nandito yung cup holder niya. Very convenient. And another cup holder under. Yan, na-extended. Okay. And by the way, pwedeng maging sofa tong upuan nito. Pwede mo i-connect tong second row and the third row. Or kung ayaw yung second and third, pwede i-connect tong first row and the second row. Alright? Ganda niya, nagiging sofa para siyang kama. Okay? Pasok tayo sa second row. Okay. Ayan. And ito yung design ng aircon vent niya. Okay? Yan. Yan. Ito yung fan blower control niya sa center. Then of course, meron tong center cabin light. Hindi pwedeng mawala yan. Ang functions niya yan, off, lit. Yan, door function. Okay, off. Patingin nga ng third row. So yan ang third row niya. Ganda. Actually, this one is a 7-seater vehicle. Okay. Nakikita niyo sa likod, merong cup holder dalawa. Okay. Same goes at the other side. Yan. Dilim lang, Yan. Okay. Then merong power source to sa likod, Yan, kita niyo yung maliit na yan. Yan, power source yan. Yung classic na power supply, yung bilog. Yung dating pang lighter. Right? And by the way, meron ditong power source ulit. It's USB type, okay? So, dito sa second row, may kabitan ng wire. Pwede kayo mag-charge. Okay? Then, merong isang cup holder. Lagayan ng files, of course. Nice. And, that's the second row. Again, this one is the Veloz G. This is the mid variant. Alright? Meron ding base variant for this. Tinatawag siyang Veloz E. Pero sinasuggest ko na mag-mid na lang tayo or top of the line. Usually mga discount nasa mid or top of the line eh. Okay? So ano bang size ng mugs nito? 17. Okay? Mug size is 17. And then nakabit na gulong sa kanya is Bridgestone. Okay? And by the way, itong over fender nyo, this one is plastic wala yung texture, ano niya, build niya. And dito na tayo sa likod. Okay? And that's the design ng likod ng Veloz G. Actually, hindi mo ma-identify kung Veloz G ito or V kasi wala naman indication sa likod. So, dito sa likod is meron tayong reflector. Okay? Then, ang backing sensor natin is dalawa. Okay? Backing sensor. Ang ganda ng pagkakadesign nitong yan, yung rear bumper niya. Meron siyang gray accent. And, pwede bang mawala dito ang backing camera? Yan. Sobrang combo na yan. Meron ka ng backing sensors combined with a backing camera. Ewan ko na lang kung bumaga ka pa niyan sa likod. Right. Nakikita niyo yung design niya sa likod Yung light niya is nagra-run hanggang likod. Ganda. Let's open this. And by the way, before I forgot, shark fin yung design ng antena niya. Okay? So, meron tong third stop lamp. Buksan na nga natin itong likod. Yan, ang design ng likod. Okay. So, itong dalawang seat na to, pag natumble to, it's completely flat. Yan. So, ang luwag niya. Yan. Alright. So, ito yung kasya dito, yung maliit na ref. Yan, luggages nyo. Okay. So, ang pang-retract naman ng spare tire niya is ito. Okay. Ikutin mo yan para bumaba yung spare tire niya sa likod. Then, merong small pocket dito. Okay. Merong lamp sa likod. Ito yung na-mention ko kanina na cup holder. Both sides yan Okay. And, yeah. Ganda. This one is 7-seaters. Okay. And kuta natin. At least nandito na kayo. Makita nyo man lang, of course, paikot ng unit. Okay, yun yung na-mention ang mugs. 17-inch. Nice. And design nito is merong silver accent dito. Para siyang Fortuner LTD. Okay. Then, ito. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng roof rack, guys. Okay. So, maganda to alternative for Innova. 7-seaters. Mas mababa yung ground clearance niya. At least kung meron kay elderly, mas madaling makakasakay. Right. So, isang alternative natin dito is Innova XE. And the Innova XE, ang goal kasi ng Innova is yung engine power. Right? Ito more on comfort to Okay. Nice. And that's the Veloz V. Okay, ulitin ko lang yung difference niya between the top of the line. Ang difference niya is only the Toyota Safety Sense. Okay. Yan. Tawag lang kayo anytime, huwag kayo mahiya. That's a Veloz G and we're done. Ulitin ko lang. Ito naman lagi outro ko. Meron tayong trade-in dito. Of course, most brands tinatanggap namin. And if meron ka na existing na approval, even though other brands yan, pwede nyo i-transfer dito yan. Okay? Advice nyo ako. And by the way guys, nakalimutan ko pala, huwag kayo basta-basta pupunta dito with your vehicle. Yung vehicle nyo for trade-in. By appointment yan Baka mamaya pumunta kayo, wala yung appraiser. Okay? Visit my TikTok, visit my YouTube, even my Facebook, posted lahat to. Thanks again, bye.